welcome back to Julex Beauty. I'm Julie. Today I'm going to show you a very simple look, and this is something that I would do if I was on vacation. I'm going to show you how to incorporate the sunscreen in with your look and to keep it very simple and very lightweight on your skin. So if you would like to see how I would do this, please keep on watching and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button before you leave. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do when you're on vacation is apply a sunscreen. Of course, you should do this every day, but specifically when you're on vacation. So what I'm going to use today is La Roche-Posay, and this is SPF of 50. It's a mineral sunscreen. It's called Anthelios, and it has a little bit of a tint to it, so I'm going to see if I can get away with this. It's a really light texture. If you don't like that greasy feel on your face when you're applying sunscreen, this really blends into the skin very nicely, and you don't feel it on at all. So I'm going to apply that first, and I'm going to see if the tint does enough of a good job for me. If not, I'm going to apply a BB cream over top. Let me just get this open. The lights are so bright, but it comes in a bottle like this, and you shake it up. There's a little ball in there, so make sure to shake that up first. So when it comes out, you can see that it's very fluid. You can see how liquidy that is. This would be good for both men and women. Don't be afraid to give this to your husband or boyfriend, brother, father. I'm also going to bring this down on my neck. That's actually nice. That did a good job. I actually think I might be able to leave it at that. Honestly, I feel like that tint in that sunscreen just took some of the redness out of my skin and made me feel pretty happy about it. I'm going to go on to the rest of my makeup and we'll see. So no matter what, I always have this darkness in the inner corner of my eye. I don't like that. It makes me feel less polished. It makes me feel like it ages me a little bit, and it makes me look a little bit more tired than I actually am. The product I'm going to use today is the Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC, and this one just stays. So that's why I'm using this one. Now I'm going to, again, apply that with my finger. Just put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to take my ring finger, and I'm going to place that on the inner corner. I am also going to use that as my eyeshadow base and just even out any discoloration on my lid. By doing that, it makes me feel like I look more awake as well and more polished. I actually could take that just in the parts where I get red around my nose and polish that up a little bit. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, really focusing in on that inner corner and my lid. The best thing about this makeup application or this skincare regime is that it is going to take no time at all. And just with a very light feather touch, I'm going to just make sure that that's blended into the rest of my skin so you don't see where the concealer stops and starts. Yeah, I'm happy with that actually. I don't even think I'm going to put a BB cream on. The next thing I brought down was MAC's Vintage Selection Paint Pot. This has a little bit of a shimmer to it. I have used this on my channel before. And just with my finger, I'm going to apply that all over my lid. What it's going to do is just when the sun hits it, it's just going to catch the light a little bit and look really pretty, but it's very sheer, so it's not going to look like you've got a heavy eyeshadow on. Everything about this look is going to be lightweight and effortless. And ever so slightly, I'm going to pull that right up to my brow. It's just whatever's left on my finger, I'm going to pull up to the brow. I am going to bronze my face up a little bit, and I'm going to use my usual Sun-Kissed bronzer by CoverFX. And just in my usual spots. And I'm going to blend that in with my fingers as well. When I do this, I can set my finger right into the hollow of my cheek, so you don't want to go any lower than that hollow of your cheek. So I kind of run my middle finger in there and then build up. Really blending out right around the edges of your hairline, just to give that slight contour and give more of the light in the center of the face. I always try to camouflage my little double chin there, so I'm going to put a little bit there as well and along my jaw. I have a towel handy as well, so I'm just going to wipe off any excess product on my towel. There. Next product I have is from Guerlain, and this is the Sun Shimmer Highlighter. Comes like this, and it's in a liquid form, so the only problem about this is it's not really travel friendly because it is glass, but you could put it in a little container. Get a little sample jar from any cosmetic counter and just pop a little bit in there, because a little bit does go a long way. I just put a tiny little drop there, and you'll see this is actually really kind of scary in the beginning, but when you blend it out, it will blend out really nice and sheer. And I do find that this lasts a very long time because it is more of a liquid rather than a cream. I don't know if you noticed that I apply with my ring finger and my middle finger, and then these fingers are clean. So then that's where I really make sure that I blend everything out. So application fingers, finishing fingers. And that adds a nice color. Obviously, you don't have to curl your lashes when you're on vacation. You want to keep it as simple as possible. It's a step I normally do anyway, so I don't mind doing it. So I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes. I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bang Lash just because I do find that that lasts really well on me, but you could use a waterproof mascara. Waterproof mascaras that I've used in the past that I really like, the High Impact mascara from Clinique is really nice. Estee Lauder has a really nice waterproof mascara as well, and let me see. I really like L'Oreal's Voluminous Waterproof Mascara as well. That one's a really nice one. It's a great drugstore product. Brows I find are key because even with sunglasses on, you can still see your brows. And to me, it makes all the difference. Like, we're almost done. I'm not gonna powder. You definitely could. I have a dry skin, a normal to dry skin, so I really don't have to powder like you would if you have an oily skin. If you have an oily skin and you don't want that shine, definitely powder. Or look for a BB cream or a primer that would have oil control. That would probably be best for you. And to finish this off, I'm going to do the Buxom Lip Gloss. This is their plumping lip gloss, and it is in the color Dolly. So this one does tingle a little bit. If you don't like that feeling, then I wouldn't get this because it's, to me, almost an immediate tingle. But oh my gosh, I love this product so much, and I love the color. This product comes in many different colors. I do have several of Buxom's lip glosses and their liquid lipsticks. So if you do want to see a review or color swatches, I definitely will do that for you. So this is the final look. I have my sunglasses ready. It actually is kind of sunny here in Ottawa, but I do wish I was going on vacation, but hey, I'm gonna make the best of my March break anyway. I hope this helped you decide on products that you would want. I know it's a little bit late because so many of you are on vacation, but this would help for the summer anyways. If you do like this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button. That would help me out a lot, and share with your friends. That would also help me. So I hope you're having a wonderful March break. All products that I use will be listed in the description box below. Just hit that show more button and a drop down box will show you everything that I used. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask me. I love talking to everybody. It makes me feel so good. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.